Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be building a 12.8 volt 300Ah battery pack used for inverters. So in this video, we'll be using high-star 3.2 volt 108 cells in a 4S 3P configuration. First, we'll be cutting epoxy sheets that will be used to isolate the cells from each other into perfect shape so that every cell is isolated. I'm using a marker to mark the height and width of the cells on the epoxy sheet. And then using a pair of scissors, I'm cutting the sheet. If the sheet is perfect, you can copy the dimensions on different sheets. If you have a paper cutter, you can save much time and cut faster. Now I'm using the epoxy sheets to isolate the cells. After arranging in the 4S 3P configuration, the cell will look like this. Each pack will form a 300Ah pack. When parallel, you can use 10 plated copper bus bars for parallel and series connection. 3 cells of 100Ah make one cell of 3.2 volt 100Ah. Make sure you don't short circuit two cells or positive and negative terminals of a single cell. After placing the bus bars, I'm using bolts to tighten the bus bar. This is one cell of 3.2 volt 300Ah. That gets connected to the negative of the second cell. And that gets connected to the positive of the third cell. So you can see 3 cells are in parallel. Now the negative of the third cell gets connected to the positive of the fourth cell. And again, we are paralleling 3 cells of the fourth individual cell. After the battery pack is ready, I am marking the individual cells, positive and negative terminals, so that it is easy to identify while connecting the BMS. You can see from the connections that have connected the pack in series, and the 12.8 volt 300 battery pack is ready. 300Ah battery pack is ready. I'm using a multimeter on the DC voltage range to show the DC voltage of each cell connected in series, highlighting the B0 to B4 connections of the BMS. Now use a torque drill on a low torque setting to tighten the bolts of the cells so that each bus bar is connected in a firm manner. After tightening the bolts with the torque driver, make sure to tighten the bolts using a handheld nut driver so that there are no loose connections left. Now the battery pack is ready. In the next part, we'll look at the BMS connections and the load testing and the charging and discharging. Thank you for watching.